Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the WINIX A230 Air Purifier, designed for bedrooms up to 1,110 square feet in just 1 hour. This powerful device is AHAM verified at 230 square feet and boasts a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne allergens, including pollen, dust, smoke, and pet dander, down to a microscopic 0.03 microns. Equipped with a carbon filter, it effectively reduces box and household odors from cooking, pets, and smoke, while also prolonging the life of the HEPA filter. The PlasmaWave air cleaning technology, combined with smart sensors and auto mode, ensures real-time adjustments to fan speed based on air quality. Enjoy ultra-quiet operation, especially in sleep mode, which activates automatically when the room darkens and returns to auto mode with light. Plus, the filter replacement indicator LED takes the guesswork out of maintenance, alerting you when it's time for a change. Experience cleaner air and a healthier environment with the WINIX A230 Air Purifier, your perfect companion for a fresher home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.